Hey, what's up? Jason from Advanblack, and we're going to be installing this wraparound front fender on our 23 Lowrider ST. All right, when you get your kit here, you're going to have multiple parts here, hardware, and these are going to be your mounting brackets. And you're going to start with the spacers, your front brackets, and your rear brackets. The tools you're going to use is going to be a 6mm hex, 5/32 hex, and a 3/16 hex, and a 1/2 inch open-end wrench. All right, first thing you want to do is you're going to remove your brake caliper with these two bolts here. You're going to be installing this curvy piece here. This is going to be your rear mount. So we're going to do that first. The kit comes with new hardware, so you do not have to reuse the stock hardware. Alright guys, when you guys install this, we're going to install that curvy piece. It's going to be on the rear caliper, or I'll show you the front caliper on the rear of the shocks. Make sure the Advanblack's on the outside. We're going to hand tighten everything just to make sure we can line it up in the end. All right, next we're going to install the front part of the mount, and it's going to be the rounded end facing back. And again, we're just going to hand tighten everything. You can do the same thing for the other side. All right, just go ahead and slide this over the wheel. You're going to have spacers. Go ahead and hold the fender so it does not slide back. Guys, you're going to want to install the spacer next, so you're going to make sure that the letters right here are facing the fender. This curved part facing your shocks. Go ahead and get it lined up. We're just going to get everything hand tightened. I'm going to hand tighten that nut until we get everything aligned. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Make sure you orientate the spacer the correct direction. And a little tricky, but just get it lined up. And when you guys are tightening this down, make sure you guys are using manufacturer torque specs per the Harley manual. All right, you're going to use your 1/2 inch open-end wrench on your nut, and then you're going to use your 3/16 Allen on the nuts out here in the front, on the bolts, excuse me. Hey guys, there you have it. It's our full install of our wraparound front fender on our lowrider ST. Check us out at advanblack.com.